to severe thunderstorm warnings. Central Calvert County in southern Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sheridan Point, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Prince Frederick, Breezy Point, Flag Harbor, St. Leonard, Huntingtown, Long Beach, Calvert Beach, Barstow, Port Republic, and Dares Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service.